Hello everyone, RFDesign here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the McLaren Elva, number 6 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Exotics, number 203 over 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here it is, McLaren Elva, now in blue. In a bit, there you go. There's the blue McLaren Elva. Previously it was in metallic black, now we have it in metallic blue. So it's not really in a light blue, but sort of like a dark, not too dark, not too light, but just in between blue. So the design is pretty similar to the first release, which was the black McLaren Elva, which it was the first release for the Elva. Now this is the second time it released in this blue. So yeah, let's take a look at the car. First of all, dark gray 10-spoke wheels, 10-spoke rims, sorry. The sides are empty except for this door, the part of the door here. We have number 12 at the side in a big white circle. Moving on to the front, you do have two white stripes right there, and then you have the air vent on the front. No headlights, sadly, but the front lights do look similar to a McLaren Speedtail. You might remember I did a review before about the Speedtail. It says number 12 on the front right there in black. Let's move on to the back. The back is basically empty, it has no rear lights. You can see the exhaust pipes over there. And of course no logo. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the top. The top, basically it has two seats and it doesn't have a windshield, which many people commented about the Aston Martin Vantage V12. Yes, of course it doesn't have a windshield. You drive the car without a windshield, but instead you wear a helmet for safety protections, and of course no rocks will be flying into your face. But yeah, this one also does not have any windshield, similar to the this one Ferrari, the Ferrari Monza if I'm not mistaken, and the Aston Martin Vantage V12. Great looking car, just that I may have forgotten to show the base. So McLaren Elva 2021 Mattel, made in Malaysia. So let me continue. This car basically, of course, released before in metallic black. I remember I did a review about it. I think that was literally in the case, what was it? L case, if I'm not mistaken. I did review it. It has, in that case, it has that cyan FKP and whatnot. Now it's back in this blue. The first color was basically in black and now it's back in blue. I wouldn't really recommend buying this car again if you have the black. I mean, like, of course I buy it to review for you guys, but I don't suggest to buy this car again if you already have the black McLaren Elva. This car is still nice, but just that it's a similar situation to to the multiple colors of the McLaren Speedtail. Like the Speedtail has released around 3 to 4 times, I think. First one was in that it wasn't silver. I don't is it aquamarine? No, I don't think so. It's a specific color, but I forgot. And then it released in that dark orange, and then it released in car culture and whatnot. I don't really recommend this car to be bought for the blue version. If you have the black, just keep the black and you don't need to buy the blue version. If you want the blue, then go ahead and get it. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some of my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.